Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a real special one. I'm going to show you how to make my Bloody Mary prawns. I love a Bloody Mary, especially when I'm hungover, but I'm not hungover, but I love a Bloody Mary anyway. Right, so grab yourself a bunch of prawns. I've grabbed around about sort of 600 grams worth, and we're going to rip the head off. We're going to take the shell and legs off, right, just like I'm doing right there. It's not real hard to do, all right, and if you don't want to de-shell and devein your own prawns, you can actually buy them already shelled and deveined in your fishmonger or even your supermarket. There's a bone of contention as to whether to leave the tail on or off. Mrs. KP does not like tail on, so I'll take the tail off. Right, I'm going to do once more. Now the thing we need to do now is get rid of that intestinal tract, that little poop chute. Now my MS was playing up today, so I've just grabbed my fish boning tweezers. Yes, I do own a pair of fish boning tweezers. I don't know why, but I do. And you just grab that little chute, pull it out just like that, and before you know it, you've got a whole bunch of real nice clean prawns. About a teaspoon's worth of smoked paprika, a good little glug of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to give that a quick stir, just like that. Really nice and simple, and this is a really basic marinade that will carry through the whole dish. Now the next thing we need is, we've got to be real traditional here. We're going to add in a bit of celery salt. Now celery salt is normally not used in a Bloody Mary, but it is used in a Caesar, the Canadian version of a Bloody Mary, which is made with clamato juice. Crazy stuff that is, absolutely beautiful though. Anyway, we've got some little cherry tomatoes cut in half. We're going to salt, just like that. Oven sitting at 180 to 190 degrees. Okay, salt those up on the cut side, of course, right, just like that. That's going to go into the oven probably somewhere between 5 to 7 minutes until they start to blister up. Nice hot pan. Don't put your hand in a hot pan. Believe me, I know I can't feel it because of my MS, but I'll know the next day because I'm burnt. Alright, I'm going to add my prawns in just like that. I've got that sitting at around about 80% on my induction cooker. Right, give those a bit of a stir through. Now we don't want to cook these all the way through. We want to give them a bit of colour, but not all the redness of a prawn, of a cooked prawn. We want to leave them a little bit underdone because we're going to cook these off a little bit later. So just stir those around from time to time. Keep an eye on them. I'm probably going to cook these in total about 3.5 to 4 minutes. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic, just like that. Yes, I am using the fresh one this time. I really want to pack a punch of flavour into this particular dish. Give that a good little bit of a stir around again. I reckon they're looking pretty good. They're sort of orange, not red, if you know what I mean. We're going to take those out and set those aside while we get ready to make up the rest of our Bloody Mary prawns. We're going to add a little dash of water. We're going to deglaze all that schmutz off the bottom of the pan. As you can see, all that bubblage is lifting off all that goodness. 400 grams worth of tomato passata. If you are regular, you know how to do this. 400 gram can of tomatoes, put that in the food processor, give that a blitz, 45 seconds, you've got a real natural tomato passata. Give that all a bit of a stir through like that. I'm going to give a little bit of hot sauce. Traditional is Tabasco. I'm using a bit of Frank's because Frank's uses that on everything, if you know the slogan. Give that a little bit of hot sauce, give that a little bit of bubblage. In goes our tomatoes, right, which we've they're nice and little blistered, they're nice and hot, they're nice and salty, and of course, me being me, I'm going to struggle getting those into the pan. I think I even dropped one that rolled off the bench onto the floor. Alright, put those into there, give that a bit of a stir through, start reducing that sauce down nice and slow, and cook those tomatoes off just a little bit more. Now here we've got 90 ml of tequila. You can use whatever tequila you like. I prefer a reposado. I love that flavour. In a pinch, you could also get away with a little bit of sake, right? A little bit of cooking sake, which is a little bit more cost effective. Give that all a bit of a stir. We've got a little bit of bubblage happening there. We're starting to reduce down. Mrs. KP is already getting some couscous happening on the other side of the kitchen. where there is no light, so we leave Mrs. KP in the dark. We're going to add those prawns and all those juices straight into the pan, give that a quick stir through, and they're going to sit there for about another 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes or so, and we're getting ready to serve. We can hit that, turn that heat off, keep it nice and warm. In goes the couscous straight onto a plate, nice and fluffy. And if you don't know how to cook couscous, just read the back of the packet. It's put the couscous in, boiling water, a little bit of butter, and yeah, a minute later it's done. Right, we're going to add our beautiful Bloody Mary prawns straight on top of the couscous, and there you go. It is done. KP's Bloody Mary prawns. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is really quick and really easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. Be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. I love reading. I love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make a real quick, unusual dish which tastes amazing, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Bloody Mary prawns, and I will catch you next time. Bye.